Time now for the health report. In this evening's edition, Shamela Pullen looks at a medical condition that affects your food pipe.
Achalasia is a rare condition that affects the food pipe, making it hard to swallow food and drinks.
Achalasia cardia is a condition where there is a failure of relaxation of the lower esophageal sphincter muscle. That's the muscle which helps to regulate the entry of food from your esophagus into your stomach. So what happens with those patients is that they swallow, but the food goes down into the esophagus and has difficulty getting into the stomach. So the food may stay in the esophagus for a very long time, even days before it comes back up.
The exact cause is unknown, but symptoms usually appear slowly and worsen over time.
Patients who have it, it's quite a serious condition. Patients may have significant malnutrition because patients may lose over 100 pounds over the period of years until the diagnosis is made. Correct diagnosis relies on first consideration of the disease. And oftentimes these symptoms are similar to peptic ulcer disease, where patients may have, upper abdominal discomfort. The patients actually swallow their food and the food goes down, so it may not be obvious to the patient right away that the food hasn't entered the stomach, and the food may rest in the esophagus for hours until perhaps the patient bends over and then the food comes running back out of their mouth.
Several treatment options are available, including medication and surgery.
More recently, there is a new treatment emerging where it's called a POEM procedure, where patients may have this kind of myotomy done by the endoscopic route, but at the moment that procedure is not available in Jamaica. So for Jamaican patients, we offer them what we call a Heller myotomy, and this can be done by the laparoscopic route. Historically it was also done through the chest as well. But now, more commonly, patients, we offer them a laparoscopic Heller myotomy, where we can the muscle and allow the patient to swallow.
If the condition is left untreated, it can increase the risk of developing cancer over time. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.